Hi, it's Chris Dolan, and I want to tell you about a brand new software that I'm going to be releasing very, very soon to my existing clients. It's called the Complete Video Marketer Suite, and this is the rank research tool. And we're going to see why it's so exciting when we enter in a keyword term here and we search for it. Now, the first thing the software is going to do is tell us how many pages are indexed in Google for that keyword. So it's telling us there are 320 million pages indexed for the keyword, and now we get the opportunity to decide whether we're going to carry on searching for that keyword or not. In this case, I can see it's clearly far too competitive. I'd be completely wasting my time looking at that overall niche of dog training. But if I check out the alternative keywords that we've got, then it may well be that one of these keywords is worth looking at to see whether we can target it. And so we've got different keywords here that are suggested to us. We've got question keywords in the forms of questions. We've got the autofill keywords, the ones that Google starts to return when we start entering the search term in the search box on a Google page. And we've got Google similar keywords. These are the ones that are returned when we carry out a search on Google for the keyword term dog training. And I'm going to have a look at this one, dog toilet training. And by clicking on this link, what happens is the software will now carry out a search based on that keyword. So it's going to search dog toilet training, and we're going to click OK. And now the software first will carry out a search with YouTube, and it's using the YouTube API to get all of the data that we want back. So it's going to find the top 10 videos. It's going to find out who is the author, when was the video uploaded. It's also going to find out how many views the video's got, how many comments, how many likes and how many dislikes it's got. It's going to check on the author's channel, how many subscribers does he have, how many videos does he have, whether this particular video has a transcript or not. We'll also check whether this video appears on Google page 1. We'll check how many backlinks the video has, and we'll also be checking on the social interactivity with that video. So we'll be searching for the times that video is mentioned on Facebook, on Twitter, and on Google+. And all of this data will give us a score together with the data that comes back from each video, because we'll also get the video title, we'll get the video keywords that have been targeted, and we'll get the video's description. And that helps us then to see whether people are targeting that keyword in YouTube and whether we can break in on that keyword and get a page 1 result. And I think looking at these results that we can do it. But first I'm going to tell you about this right hand section of the software. We've got 4 panels here which give us different keywords. Now the first 2, this optimized tags and other keywords, these are the keywords that are listed in the top 10 videos. In other words, these are the keyword tags that they have targeted in YouTube. Now this helps us to see whether they've targeted, and in this case when there are no optimized tags, it means that they're not targeting dog toilet training. They're showing up on the in the top 10 for other reasons, because they're deemed to be relevant. But of course, if we target that keyword, we've got a great opportunity to put our video on page 1 of YouTube and possibly on page 1 of Google. Now in the right hand side there are the YouTube's related keywords. This is a search where we get back 66. In this case we get normally up to 100 keywords coming back, and we get this box says best keywords. And what happens is the software checks if the keyword that we've targeted is in any of the keywords that are returned, and if it is, then here is where it will appear in the best keywords panel. So we've got a lot of keywords to use when we create our title, our description, and our keywords. Now what helps us even more is we can see how the author has targeted or not a keyword by looking at this panel. And we can actually go in and edit the video details and use it for ourselves and save that to a text file format to be able to use to upload our video to YouTube. And all of this is going to help us because it's going to save us an immense amount of time that we would completely waste if we'd have gone after dog training as a niche, but time which we know we can use very, very wisely to target this keyword, and we can create and get our video in a matter of minutes on page 1 of YouTube and Google. Now if we go to the database view, here's where we see all of the 10 videos that have come back in a spreadsheet format, and we can see all of the different fields that we're using to be able to estimate video's ranking and find out why it's ranking so highly or not. And we can see we get the Facebook, Twitter and Google Plus details of these videos. We find out if the video has a transcript or not. These are hugely important factors in ranking videos. So what we get is really a schema to follow that will help us to be able to rank our videos quickly and efficiently without wasting time, without wasting search time on Google and YouTube. We get all of the data that we need to take a decision in one place, and we get this accurate data. We don't get just a score based on whether somebody's optimized the title, keywords and description. And we'll see why in other searches, why it's important to evaluate both ranking factors. All of this data, the channel subscribers, because when somebody adds a video and they've got thousands of subscribers, there's a great likelihood that they will immediately get a jump in views, because those subscribers may have opted in to receive information about when a new video is uploaded. And so what we want to do is focus on niche opportunities where there's a real chance of ranking, instead of wasting our time blindly or trying to use just YouTube and Google to search for ourselves, because this software pulls in all of the data that you need in one place.